Hey guys, as you can see in the title, I'm going to be rating which one is the most prettiest fidget. So let's get into it. Wazam! So first up we have this one. It has all three of my third, fourth, and fifth colors. So yeah, let's get into the next one. And now this one. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, this one is pretty. So let's get into the next one. Bye. The next one is this Pop-It. It's really good popping, by the way. So yeah, this one is very pretty. Wazam! And now we have this one. Let me hear the pops. Really good pops, and it's pretty. Wazam! Next we have this bat one. You probably won't see the glitter, but there's glitter on it. There we go. So that is my bat one. It's really pretty. Wazam! And now we have this heart Pop-It. Hear the pops. I know, and it's so beautiful. Wazam! Now we're going to be putting the fidgets against each other. So first we're going to put these two against each other. I am thinking it would be so hard to choose. What do you guys think? Which one is prettier? Well, this one is glitter and this one is rainbow. I like this one. It has glitter on it. I really like it. Oh, there's dirt. There we go. I really like this one, so this one wins. Sorry. But some of you probably agreed with this, but you can put it in the comments. And now we have this one against this one. So I don't know. Which one of you guys think is prettier? I think this one is. As one of my favorite colors, blue. So, I'm sorry. You're going to have to go in the not pretty zone. I'm sorry for you, rainbow. But this one is prettier. But some of you might be like, no, that's wrong. The rainbow ones were prettier. It's okay. You could just put your choices in the comments. So yeah, let's go on the next one. The next one is this one against this one. And now I'm not gonna lie, this one's kind of ugly. And it's really quiet for a dimple. So you're gonna have to go in the losing zone. And this one is really pretty and cool. But how can these switch? Yay! So yeah, this is pretty. Alright guys, here are the Fab 3. And now this one. Ooh, the bat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. And again, I said I will cut one of my mochis at 50 subscribers. So let's get that goal and get those subscribers. So make sure you like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!